I've tested a bunch of dash cams lately, and let me tell you, not all of them are worth your money. I picked up the top 5 models I kept seeing online, used them in real driving conditions, and today I'm breaking down which ones actually deliver clear footage, reliable parking mode, and easy setup. By the end, you'll know which dash cam fits your car and your budget. Product number 1, dash cam front and rear 4K plus 1080p 3-channel. When I first held this dash cam, it felt solid and well built, not one of those flimsy things that wiggle on your windshield. The front camera is 4K and the rear and cabin cameras are 1080p, which I loved because I could see both my kids and the road clearly at the same time. Nighttime driving, surprisingly sharp. The Starvis 2 sensor handled streetlights and dark alleys without turning everything into a blurry mess. I also appreciated the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi 6. It made grabbing clips on my phone a breeze. Loop recording and the G sensor worked perfectly in a test collision scenario, and parking mode even caught someone brushing my parked car in a parking lot. If you want a dash cam that keeps an eye on everything, inside and out, this one's solid. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or families with kids. Moving on, there's another dual cam that's pretty impressive. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Holding the Rove R2 4K, I immediately noticed the 3-inch IPS screen. It feels premium and makes adjusting settings really easy. The front camera shoots in 4K and the rear in 1080p, but what really stood out was the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Night driving was brighter and clearer than I expected, even on poorly lit streets. The 5G Wi-Fi was lightning fast. I downloaded a 10-minute clip in seconds, which is super handy if you need evidence quickly. GPS tracking worked flawlessly, showing speed and route right on the video. The parking mode is highly customizable too, recording both motion and collisions. I also like that it comes with a 128 GB card right out of the box. If you want a dash cam that's reliable, easy to access remotely, and perfect for keeping your car monitored all day, this one's a great pick. Now, for those looking for triple coverage, the ARRI F17 is worth checking. Product number 3, ARRI F17 4K 3-channel dash cam. The ARRI F17 feels sturdy, with a solid matte finish that doesn't scream cheap. I love that it's a 3-channel camera, front, rear, and inside, so I could see my whole car in real time. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear and interior cameras produced crisp footage, even at night, thanks to the WDR and IR night vision. Setup was easy, and the 5G Wi-Fi with the ARRI app made downloading clips simple. The GPS tracker is accurate, logging my route and speed like a mini black box. Parking mode worked perfectly during tests, capturing time-lapse and motion events without eating too much storage. The supercapacitor means it handles heat and cold better than typical lithium battery cams. If you drive with family or need full coverage for security, this 3-channel system is impressive. Speaking of sharp 4K footage, ARRI's F7NP also caught my attention. Product number 4, ARRI 4K Dash Cam F7NP front and rear. The F7NP has a sleek design and feels high quality in hand. I immediately noticed the STARVIS 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses, 4K front and 1080p rear footage looked crisp, and the night vision handled dark streets without blowing out highlights. Loop recording worked smoothly, automatically overwriting old files but locking important clips with the G sensor. The 8 GHz Wi-Fi made downloading files fast, around 20 MBs, and the app is intuitive for checking GPS data and replaying clips. Parking mode caught incidents in my driveway flawlessly once I added a hardwire kit. The supercapacitor is reassuring for extreme temperatures, especially for hot summer days. If you want a dash cam that balances image quality, night vision, and fast wireless access, this is a great option. Now, if you're looking for something simpler but still triple camera, there's the SUV-CON. Product number 5. Dash cam front and rear 1080p 3-channel SUV-CON. The SUV-CON 3-channel dash cam feels compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to install. The 170 degrees front, 150 degrees cabin, and 150 degrees rear cameras cover almost everything, reducing blind spots. Daytime footage looked sharp, and at night, the 4 infrared LEDs gave surprisingly clear interior views. The G sensor automatically locked clips in the event of sudden shocks, and parking mode gave me peace of mind when leaving my car overnight. The IPS screen is easy to view from any angle, which I liked for adjusting settings on the go. For someone who wants a budget-friendly, reliable triple camera setup without sacrificing core features, this one does the job well. That's a wrap on my tests of the best wireless dash cams I could find. Each one has its strengths depending on what you need: full 3-channel coverage, ultra-fast Wi-Fi, or just a reliable 1080p dual camera. Check the links in the description for current prices and pick the one that fits your car and your driving style.